MrBeast is one of the most successful YouTubers out there, and he's ridiculously transparent about how he built his empire. MrBeast shares his top tips for growing a YouTube channel, and today I am breaking down these powerful strategies that have helped him achieve over 100 million views per video and gain millions of subscribers. These tips are game changers for anyone trying to build a successful YouTube channel. So grab your notepad, buckle your seatbelt, and let's dive into MrBeast's best YouTube advice for 2025. Tip 1. Your first 100 videos won't get views, and that's okay. The first thing MrBeast says is that your first 100 videos are probably going to suck. His words, not mine, but here's the important part, it's okay. The real key to growth is persistence. He talks about how many creators get caught up in the analysis paralysis. They obsess over their first video for months. He tells us not to worry and to just get to work. Make 100 videos and improve something with every one. Every video is an opportunity to learn and to get better, so don't get discouraged if your first videos aren't getting the views. Just keep improving and keep uploading. Once you hit the 101 video, you'll start to see a payoff. Tip number 2, focus on making better content, not just more content. MrBeast says it's better to upload fewer videos that are amazing than a ton of average ones. Quality trumps quantity. The problem with uploading too many mediocre content is that your audience will know, and it's harder for the algorithm to pick it up. Focus on making each video so good that the algorithm has no choice but to promote it. You need to capture your audience attention with every upload. MrBeast even said that the best way to grow is to study other videos and what makes a great video. Then implement those elements. Tip number 3, title and thumbnails are your secret weapons. MrBeast gives the best advice when it comes to titles and thumbnails. Make sure they are short, simple, and intriguing. Titles should grab attention immediately and make it feel like the viewer has no choice but to click. The title and thumbnails have to align with the video's content and set a clear expectation. A good thumbnail should be bright, clear, and convey the story. If it doesn't create the curiosity or evoke emotion, it's not going to get clicked. And when it comes to titles, keep it under 50 characters. Anything longer might get cut off on some devices, leaving your audience confused. Tip number 4, the first 5 seconds are crucial. MrBeast is huge on hooks, and he emphasizes that you need to hook your audience in the first 5 seconds. If you lose them right away, then they are gone. It's crucial to match your thumbnail and title with the content right at the start of the video. And it's not just about getting clicks, it's about keeping your viewers engaged. Once they click, you need to ensure that the video delivers what you had promised right at the start. If you do this, you'll minimize drop-off and improve retention. Tip number 5, keep improving with every video. You're not just going to make a perfect video on your first try, and that's okay. MrBeast says that there is no such thing as a perfect video. Instead, focus on improving with every video you make. Whether it's script writing, editing, pacing, or thumbnail design, there's always room to grow. The more you focus on improving something each time, the better results you will get. Tip number 6, audience retention is critical. To truly succeed on YouTube, you have to master retention. MrBeast says that if you can keep 70% of your viewers watching your video all the way through, then you're doing something right. Retention is the key to getting your videos recommended. To do this, make sure there is no dead air or dull moments. Keep the energy up, pace the video well, and give your audience a reason to stay. Keep the suspension. If your viewers feel like the video is dragging, then they will opt out. Tip number 7, don't rely on luck. It's about observation and consistency. One of the most powerful things MrBeast said is that observation is the key to success. He believed that if you know what makes a great video, you can grow your channel, regardless of where you start. The same advice applies to you, whether you are just starting out or trying to push past the 100,000 subscriber mark. Keep learning, experimenting, and improving. YouTube success isn't just about technical skills, but it's also about understanding what makes your audience tick. Tip number 8, collaboration and networking can speed up your growth. Finally, MrBeast attributes much of his success to the friends he surrounded himself with and the other creators who had challenged him and helped him grow. He talks about how he and a group of other creators would have daily mastermind sessions and share what they were learning, testing new strategies and collaborating. If you want to grow faster, don't do it alone. Find like-minded creators, learn from them, and help each other grow. If you take anything away from this video, it's that the key to success on YouTube is consistency and continuous improvement. Keep creating, keep learning, and keep improving your videos. If you focus on the basic titles, thumbnails, hooks, and retention, along with constantly enhancing your content, your growth is inevitable. There you have it, MrBeast's best YouTube advice for 2025. Focus on these tips and continuously improve. There is no reason why you can't start seeing serious growth on your channel when all your ducks are lined up in a row. And remember, it's not about getting it perfect right away, but observing, testing, and always improving. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. And if you want to learn more about freelancing, then check out the resources linked in the description below. Keep exploring and growing. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, be freelantastic.